Yun na. Ano naman?
John Paul Titi.
Me.
Ayun.
Ito yung ginamit ko yung plant sabi ko.
Ay, John.
Basta yun.
Wow, ito pa rin sinasabi niya sa akin kagabi. Nagalit pa ako kagabi kasi nainis ako.
Basahin mo, baka this time maiyak ka na.
Happy 35th birthday, Mom. Starbucks Queen. Ay!
Hello, Starbucks Queen!
Ay!
Queen.
Ang taray! Ay! Kaya pala, nangihingi ng picture.
Oo.
Ito 1-year-old pa lang siya nito, guys.
Basahin niya. Haba niyan.
For my eyes only? Or basahin ko sa vlog? Wow! Okay. Happy 35th birthday, me. Today, to celebrate the most beautiful soul I know. Words will never be enough to express how much you mean to me. You are my first teacher, my strongest supporter, my greatest comfort, and my constant source of unconditional love. Every moment you've spent guiding me, loving me, and sacrificing for me has been for that, I will be forever thankful and always put your son before yourself and yourself. Whether you're laughing, comforting, or simply your presence fills every space with Kabanfa. Faced with warmth, you are the kind of light that shines even in the darkest times, and that matters everything feels better. I hope today brings you the joy and love that you've always given to everyone around you. May you feel just how special, loved, and appreciated you truly are. You deserve all the happiness in the world, not just today but every day. As your child, I promise to continue honoring you with love, respect, and gratitude. I pray this year brings you good health, peace of mind, and moments that make your heart smile. Thank you for being the amazing mother that you are. I love you more than words can ever say, and I'm so proud and blessed to call you my mom. Mommy, enjoy your day. You deserve nothing but the best. Happy birthday, me. Love your handsome boy. Thank you, my love. Muntik na ako maiyak, pero ano,